Surrounded by dense pine and fir trees and basalt rocks in the Sierra Nevada mountains, this house was designed with a strong commitment to preserving and protecting the landscape. The two-story residence is located on a gently sloping site near the north shore of Lake Tahoe in the town of Truckee, California. Faulkner Architects created Forest House, inspired by cabin living, offering an idyllic place to live and entertain while respecting the natural setting in which it is positioned. With the residence's entrance discreetly placed, the architects created a sequence of arrival points. The pathway leads to a recessed front door, marked by a translucent green glass panel that bathes the entrance in a color reflecting the tone of the surrounding pine forest. Moving parallel to the structure, there is an invitation to interact. Skylights break the rectangular form of the house and direct the gaze to the sky. During the day, sunlight fills the home, while at night, it provides advantageous views of the starry sky. The ground floor houses both public and private areas. The central section includes an open living and dining area and a kitchen that connects to a family room. A covered deck provides a place to relax and enjoy the scenery. Due to the nature-rich setting, Faulkner Architects designed the house in a neutral form and size, allowing the landscape to breathe and embrace it. Positioning the structure at the southern end of the property, the architects left the front area of land largely untouched, preserving 95% of the trees to respect the surroundings. More than 100 tall trees, including Jeffrey and sugar pines and white and red firs, encircle the residence. Three-dimensional skylights extend from the roof to the wall, allowing light to pour in and offering views of the stars at night. The western side contains the main suite, while an office and the garage are located on the east side. The main suite has been separated from the three guest rooms located upstairs, reinforcing the idea that each space can be made private when needed. The rooms feature neutral colors, contemporary decor, and natural materials. Reclaimed teak wood was used for floors and ceilings, while walls are made of exposed concrete and white gypsum. Light fixtures and sprinklers are concealed in thin recesses in the ceiling. A green glass panel was also used in the entry hall. The screen next to the staircase is made of angled slats, spaced 1 inch apart, designed to resemble the texture and function of tree bark. Board-formed concrete and ebony-hued steel are used to reflect the texture of tree bark. The black steel recedes like the surrounding trunks, while the light concrete stands out under sunlight, and the glass facade reflects the surrounding forest. Through this approach, Forest House exemplifies how a home can be built with appreciation and reference to the landscape on which it sits. The home was designed to be durable and low maintenance. Additionally, enhanced glazing and a radiant heating system help with energy efficiency. With a focus on sustainability, Forest House was built with non-flammable materials and a palette of concrete and steel that forms the house's structure.